Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can assign the permission of a workspace to any person or user. So once you're in a workspace, select the project. In the project, you will see the different workbooks. Now let's suppose I want to assign permission for this daylight operations workbook to an Aarti. So what I need to do, click on the assign permission, select the daylight operations book, then click on next. Here we have three options: read, read and write, and all access. Read means user will only have access to view the information. Read and write, user will able to read as well as add the new information in the existing workbook. And all access, user will have entire access and admin permission to the workbook. So let's suppose I want to give read and write permission. Click on the plus icon here, click on select users here, select the user you want to give permission, and then click on save and then save. So now this particular user will also be able to access the. Thank you.